Yes. Rufa was the first person I ever texted. Nung nagdidesisyon na ako, it took me 4 months to think things over if I was gonna file a case or not. And Rufa, since she was the one closest to me sa Gutierrez family, and she's been my friend from the very beginning, she was. Siya ang unang-una kong sinabihan na, Ruf, parang I want the kids na lang to go to school. Rufa, I have problems with Tita Annabel. Can you help me? Rufa, ganito, ganyan. Nagsusumo ako kay Rufa. And I thought na Raymond, Richard, Rufa would at least have, you know, gumit naman lang at tumulong, since like they said, they're part of the royal era management, diba? Wala eh. Siya pa yung unang-una nagmura sa akin. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako nagkulang sa paghingi ng tulong sa kanila na kausapin nanay nila. Pero
tsaka isa pa yan no, na gusto ko rin sanang pag-usapan. Hindi namin, we are not taking it against the children. Normal yun nanay nila yun di ba? Any child worth her salt or his salt would always come to the rescue of the mother. That's why we are not taking it against her. Pero sana maintindihan din nila kung bakit naman ganito rin si Nadia. She's also a mother who is now coming to the rescue of her kids. Ang nalulungkot lang ako kasi they were once really good friends, di ba? But again, I've been talking to Nadia, sabi ko, alam mo, at any given time, mahirap yung may galit ka sa puso. So, let's elevate your dispute to one of reason, not emotions. Hoping that one day, they'll be able to put this beside them. Hoping that one day, kung na-resolve ng court yung mga issues nila, they'll be able to move on and at least be civil with each other. Ganun lang.
Ano pong next natin after ito ng pwesto na sinadya? And meron po bang kailan yung filing na
Well, we have 15 days to file the motion for reconsideration. So we received a copy of the resolution of the Fiscal's Office last Monday. So from from Monday, we count 15 days to that. So that's the due date of the filing of the motion for reconsideration. So hopefully by next week, we will be ready for the motion for reconsideration.
Another thing, the other cases actually have been raffled,
yes,
if I'm not mistaken. So the next thing would be the court would schedule an arraignment so that she'll be able to appear in court and make her plea. I'm sure that her counsel would also be putting up their own respective motions for reconsideration. So,
and
we'll
for
wait and see.
Ano po ba yung need
sa court?
Discretion ng court yan eh. Sometimes the judge allows that, sometimes the judge does not allow.
So wala kami sa labas. Diyos.
And depende nga sa judge if you would allow inside or you would just interview outside. Tsaka for the record, no, yung libel is a bailable offense. So there would be a warrant of arrest that will be issued to that. So to be able to have a temporary liberty, Miss Annabel Ram has to post bail for that.